glowing flowers. Wow, Zippy, let's go see. Follow me, this way. Okay, I'm right behind you. Ready to see what's inside? Look, crystals like stars. Wow, so pretty. Oh no, a bird is stuck. We have to help it. Chirp, help, chirp. Ready, Zippy? Let's go. We're almost there. Wow, it's glowing. Yay, gold's everywhere. The whole cave is changing. Hey, let us pass.
No one gets past!
Here, take my apple.
Thank you, my friend. You're welcome.
Here, a gift for you.